Is there anything more frustrating than being stuck in traffic? Then one day your car breaks down on the freeway, and now you're the problem. Even worse, being stopped puts you and others in danger. When you have a flat tire, run out of gas, or experience some other mechanical failure, help is just a call away. The new Gulf Coast Regional Tow and Go program clears freeway breakdowns and moves them to a safe location at no cost. Quick clearance programs like Tow and Go reduce secondary incidents, keep traffic moving, and most importantly, save lives. Transportation authorities monitor freeways in the Tow and Go service area 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, making the no-cost towing service available to you day or night. All you have to do to keep help at your fingertips is enter the Tow and Go number in your mobile phone. Or better yet, go to towandgo.com to bookmark the page. Every dispatch of a Tow and Go operator is authorized by law enforcement who view reported breakdowns in real time from their location in the Houston TranStar Traffic Center. Each of the program's specially contracted tow operators have not only met strict selection standards, they have completed hours of roadway safety and traffic incident management training. Once loaded, Tow and Go will move you and your vehicle from the freeway to a safe location off the nearest exit of your breakdown. If you belong to an auto club or have towing through insurance, that service must arrive before Tow and Go is authorized. Otherwise, have them meet you where you've been towed. Keeping you safe, keeping our freeways clear. Tow and Go, keeping motorists on the move.